In this video, we're going to show you how to create and adjust multi-field programs using Sketchbook2 software on your Mark-in-Box electric pin marker. Okay, well, the key point to any marking application is knowing what you're going to mark and where you're going to mark it. So for this application, we're going to be doing a tag marking example. So we're going to create 3 separate text fields. And we're not going to worry about the settings for the height and everything. We're going to be using our dashboard to make those adjustments. So we started off by doing a first text field, which is our website, tochoamerica.com. And again, you can see it's a little jumbled, but don't worry about that. Second one is going to be our phone number, just in case you want to give us a call during this video. And our third one is going to be the unit that we're going to be marking with, which is our MB3315S Mark-in-Box unit. Now that we have all 3 text fields created, we can move our cursor down, which is going to pull up the dashboard. And in here, we can see the type of field, the text within the field, your X, your Y, your angles, your height, your width, your pitch, the vertical pitch, force, speed, pause function, and reverse marking. So we're going to start off by adjusting multiple fields at one time. So we're going to select all 3 text fields, and then we're going to click the X button because we want them all to line up at the same point. So we're going to select and choose 0 millimeters, so you're going to see how everything lines up. Next, we're going to start off by the Y and change that to 3.5. And again, it's a jumbled, but don't worry about that. Then we're going to change our height to 2.5 millimeters. Width, we're going to leave at 60%. Vertical pitch, we're going to change this. This is the spacing in between the text fields. So we changed that to 4 millimeters. Now you can see how everything's nice and evenly spaced. Our force, we're going to change to 20. Our speed, we're going to change to 30. Now this is a great opportunity to change multiple things at one time to speed up your programming time. Now we're going to change individual text fields. So our pitch for our website, we're going to change to 1.9. And then for our phone number, we're going to change that pitch to 2.3. Again, that's the spacing in between the characters. And then this one, we're going to do a reverse mark to help speed up the process. Then for our last text field, we're going to change the pitch to 2.3 as well. But we realize that we don't want 3315 on the mark. So we're going to change that to Mark-in-Box. And you're going to notice how once we change it in the dashboard, it changes it on the grid. Once we have everything finalized, we can now go on to the marking process. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.